Hey guys, it's Yasmin from Glow Recipe, and today I'm here to show you my sensitive skin routine for winter. So the first and most important step of your routine is cleansing. So you want to make sure that with the cleansing step, you're not only giving yourself a really nice clean base, but you're also giving your skin these beautiful ingredients that are starting to nourish it, hydrate it, and restore. So what I like to use when my skin is feeling particularly irritated is the Make Prem Safe Me Relief Moisture Cleansing Foam. I love how creamy it is because it makes me feel like I'm starting to get that soothing, nourishing quality. It also has a short ingredient list, so that means there's less ingredients in there that could potentially irritate my skin depending on how it's feeling that day. After I cleanse, I move on to the toning step. I love the Hum Grow Hyal B5 toner. So the Hyal stands for hyaluronic acid, and there are 5 different types of hyaluronic acid in this formula. It also has niacinamide in it, which is an amazing skin restoring ingredient. Not only does it help strengthen weakened skin surface, but it also helps with dullness, the look of enlarged pores, and fine lines. My ultimate holy grail product for sensitive skin is the Make Prem Green Ampule. So this ampule is supercharged with green propolis, which is probably one of my favorite ingredients in skincare right now. The stronger your skin's natural moisture barrier is, the better it can protect itself from environmental stressors and everything that can irritate skin. After you give your skin all of those amazing nutrients and ingredients that it needs to protect itself, you want to lock that in with a really powerful moisturizer. My favorite new addition to my skincare routine is the July Super 12 Bounce Oiling Cream. Not only does this have 12 superfood ingredients that are packed with antioxidants, which they call the Super 12 complex, it also has olive oil and avocado oil, which is really rich in linoleic and oleic acids that helps really nourish your skin. Any daytime skin routine should always end with an SPF. I personally am obsessed with sun gels because they don't leave a white cast, and they're also kind of like a serum for your skin. They have other skin benefits to them, and they leave you feeling really nice and glowy. It doesn't feel like you're being weighed down like you would with a typical SPF. I love the Make Prem Blu-ray Sun Gel because it also has Centella asiatica, which is probably one of the best ingredients for sensitive skin. And then at night, of course, a sleeping mask always helps really lock in that moisture and help replenish skin. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below with your favorite sensitive skin tips for winter. Till next time.